Hey guys, this is Jay. Just want to make a quick video because I had the question of why do I use Coinexx Broker more than any other broker that they see whenever I'm running back tests or even when I'm running demo tests, um, as far as my demo forward tests, when I'm testing the EA's robots trade automation in real time. So let's take a look at this. Oh, well, here it is. Three reasons. I did take some notes here. Three reasons. Number one, the real trading and payout has been so far so good with me. And when I say an SFSG rating, that's the highest rating that I can give an unregulated broker, right? It's so far so good. Never know what's going to happen tomorrow, but I am way in the black. I'm using house money with everything that I do with Coinexx. So it's no loss for me. Second thing is the setup and the setup of demo accounts is quite easy, man. And even deposits of live accounts, deposits and withdrawal. Again, I say so far so good. As you can see here, I have two live accounts with Coinexx, but that's not what we're going to talk about. This is the difference maker to me. The demo account deposit and withdrawal of demo funds. They make it easy for you, man. The other ones that I use, most people know that is either Ox Securities and Plexi Trade, but this is my go-to when it comes to testing, and I'll show you how. So instead of just creating a new demo account, I want to show you guys what I have right now. This is one of my demo accounts for Coinexx, and I have $1,187 in there. So if I want to start over with $1,000, all I need to do is go do a withdrawal with it. Now, that may sound like something that's minor, but it's truly not, because the other brokers that I've had to start over and things of that nature. So we go here to add funds. Now let's just say I'm going with my '09. Where is it? Here we go. And the only difference, if I want to withdraw, here's the cool part. Only thing I have to do is put a minus sign and then put the 187 if I want to start over with $1,000. And then I hit submit, and let's see how this works, guys. All right, now it said funds are added successfully, but remember that was a negative, so I wanted to take away from it. And here you see that took it to 1,000. All right. Now let's just say I want to add one of the robots or programs that I'm testing. They want me to start with $2,000. So what I'll do is I'll just put I have $1,000 there. I want to add $1,000 to it. Hit submit. Let's see here. Go. Add 1,000 to it, and that should give me $2,000. Should. Let's see if that worked out. So we in the group, we are testing several EAs at one time, and it's easier just to go in and just change the amount that we're testing with. Now, unless I'm wrong, I've not found that function with my other two. Of the three that I use, and those are the three. It's Coinexx, Plexi Trade, and also Ox Securities. So go out there and make some real money, guys. And if you're not an account holder of Coinexx, you can use our link to get it done. If not, just go out there and make some real money. Peace.